In Bollywood, it's often said that all actors feel insecure about each other. Time and again, stories surface about one actor taking a step out of insecurity over another. However, no one openly talks about their insecurities. But recently, during the promotions of his upcoming film Sikandar, Rashmika Mandanna and Salman Khan appeared in an exclusive interview session with NDTV, where he candidly spoke about topics that most actors choose to avoid. The conversation began when Rashmika was asked about Salman's on-screen and off-screen personality and his sense of realism. In response, she said,
"When I met him, the whole, as in, he's a superstar. Like, he is literally a living legend, right? So there's a different aura that SK carries, and it's his lovely people around and everything. But as an actor, he was just like every one of us. He does the hard work. He thinks about the scenes. He helps me out, and every time after finishing a scene, I'll go to SK and be like, "Sir, how's it?" And he'll guide me right, and all of that. I feel like, you hear stories about him, but when you actually meet him, he's genuinely a nice human being. So you're like, okay, here is someone who I can depend on.
एक स्टोरी जो आपने सुनी हो और आपको लगा कि नहीं, ये तो बिल्कुल अलग है जो आपने सुना हो पहले.
As in, it's not a story, but the second you say he's a legend, or he's this living superstar, you have this thing of, okay, you can't like talk, freely to a star. This is a story that you make up in your own head. But when you actually meet SK, he doesn't give you that energy. He's like, "What's up?"
In response to her sweet comments about him, Salman gave a golden piece of advice to all actors, saying,
Again, none of us will ever give you that kind of energy. A guy who's doing well is now named for a superstar, and there you have what? Talapati, and what else you have? Talaivar. Out here you have this, but we never call ourselves that. You will never see it in our films also that we called superstar Salman Khan. वो तो tag देते हैं superstar क्या picture में चल रही वही बहुत है.
But is it like your choice?
Nobody like even if you work with Rajni Garu, okay, we work with Chiru Garu, Kenny, Vijay, Surya. They will never ever give you that feeling that you're working with somebody, because I don't think that we or they or anyone think कि we are gods, कि हमने अपने आप को बनाया है. They all know कि इन सब लोगों की वजह से we are here, and especially with the consent of our fans, we're here. जहाँ जो भी whoever starts thinking that he's a god and he's a superstar, his career will go off like that.
After that, when Rashmika was asked about competition in South industry, Salman praised her in this way.
क्या कंपटीशन है सर?
अब जो बाकी जो एक्ट्रेसेस हैं उनको भी लगता होगा कि
कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है वहाँ पर.
I got scared for a second.
And when the real question came up, Salman was asked about his insecurities in the industry. He responded with this.
कहाँ पे insecurity तो हर जगह देखने को मिलती है.
सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं कि यहीं पे.
बस मेरे में देखने को नहीं मिलती है.
है आपको देखने को मिली?
I'm just like, you don't see these things. You don't even know, as in, I don't know, sir.
ना insecurities तो मतलब होंगी शायद latent, but अभी तक के वो उभर के आई नहीं है, और शायद आएंगी भी नहीं, क्योंकि इतना दबा के रखूँगा उनको कि मरने के बाद भी बोलेगा कि इसमें तो कोई इंसिक्योरिटीज थी.
ईद पे फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है.
सॉरी, ईद पे, दिवाली पर, क्रिसमस में, इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे, फेस्टिवल, नॉन फेस्टिवल, होली, जो भी है, जब पिक्चर रिलीज होती है वो आपको उस प्रकार की पिक्चर बनानी चाहिए जो कि हमारा जो एक ऑडियंस है. आई थिंक राइट नाउ वो जो मास एंड क्लास का ऑडियंस एक हो गया है, सो आपका जो एक एक रीच बहुत बड़ा हो गया, तो आपको वो जो पिक्चर, एक सेंसिबल पिक्चर बनाकर जिसमें हर चीज़ हो, मैसेज तो सबसे छोटा होना चाहिए,
राइट
मैसेज सबसे छोटा होना चाहिए सर। वो जैसे टेलीग्राम, एक पुअर आदमी टेलीग्राम लिखता था ना पहले कि डैडी कम सून, मॉम नॉट वेल, वो हर एक
राइट
तो उस हिसाब से मैसेज होना चाहिए। डायलॉग ऑल्सो वैसे ही होने चाहिए, और प्लॉट बहुत तगड़ा होना चाहिए, स्क्रीन प्ले बड़ा ही कमाल का होना चाहिए कि व्हाट नेक्स्ट, अब ओ माय गॉड देखा, मैंने बोला था ना। सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स should be there, and once the film is over, the guy should want to follow the hero. The guy should want to get married to somebody like the heroine, that I want a girl like this girl. Sister feeling wali would want a brother, mother would want a son like this. Once
जैसे राजेश
everyone
खन्ना
gets-
साहब के साथ
जी
होता
जी
है।
जी
जी।
नहीं, राजेश खन्ना साहब तो मतलब हर एक को उनसे शादी करनी थी भाई। वो
आपसे भी करनी है बहुत लोगों को, आपसे भी करनी है सलमान।
Salman Khan's word always carry weight, and this time was no different. His golden advice and statements to the industry proves why he has remained a megastar for decades. Meanwhile, Rashmika's admiration for him only adds to the excitement for their upcoming film. With Eid just around the corner, fans are eagerly waiting to see this fresh on-screen pairing set the big screen on fire. But what do you think about Salman's take on insecurity and his insights about the industry? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one.